Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable auto zoom in the Waze app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Waze app on your mobile device. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see three horizontal lines. This is your menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it to open the main navigation menu. This menu gives you access to all the important settings and features within Waze. From the menu that appears, you'll see several options listed. Look for the one labeled Settings and tap on it. This is where you can customize how Waze behaves and displays information during your drives. The Settings menu is your control center for personalizing the app to match your preferences. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll through the available options until you find Map Display. Tap on it to proceed. This section specifically controls how the map appears on your screen while you're navigating, including zoom levels, map details, and other visual elements that affect your driving experience. Now, inside the map display settings, you'll see an option called Auto Zoom. This feature automatically adjusts your map's zoom level based on your driving speed. When you're on highways, it zooms out to show more of your route ahead. When you slow down or enter city streets, it zooms in to show more detail. This helps you maintain better awareness of your surroundings without manually adjusting the zoom constantly. Right next to auto zoom, you'll notice a toggle button. Simply tap this toggle to turn the feature on or off depending on your preference. If the toggle is blue or highlighted, auto zoom is enabled. If it's gray or unhighlighted, it's disabled. Some drivers prefer having full manual control over their zoom level, while others appreciate the convenience of automatic adjustments. And that's it. You've successfully enabled or disabled auto zoom in Waze. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.